that slow response action potential, which is typically seen in SA node, nodal tissues, and also in injured and ischemic myocardium. It is having three phases. Okay, pre-potential phase or pacemaker potential phase. Then second phase is depolation phase. Third phase is repolation phase. Okay, and the ionic basis is during the repolation, you know, पोटेशियम का लॉस होती है, पॉजिटिव चार्ज का लॉस होती है, तो नेगेटिव की तरफ जाती है ये एज इट रीचेस द -60 मिलीवोल्ट. ओके, लीकी चैनल्स ओपन अप, ओके, व्हिच कॉजेस मोर सोडियम इनफ्लक्स एंड लिटिल ऑफ पोटेशियम इफ्लक्स आल्सो हैपन. सो नेट पॉजिटिव चार्ज का इनफ्लक्स होती है, सो दैट कॉजेस द negativity will decrease, that will form the first part of pre-potential. Then the calcium channels open up, okay, जैसे -50 पे पहुंचती है. T type calcium channels open up, then T type calcium channels open up. T means transient type calcium channels. So calcium का influx होती है and that will form the second part of the pre-potential. And also local calcium release also happens and from the sarcoplasmic reticulum that is called calcium sparks that also contributes to this pre-potential. जैसे ये -40 तक आती है, okay, then voltage gated L type calcium channels, long acting type calcium channels open up, heavy influx of calcium happens, so that causes the depolarizing current, zero से cross कर जाती है. So जैसे depolarization की peak पे आती है L type calcium channels closes and what happens that voltage gated potassium channels open up that causes efflux of potassium, positive charge का loss होती है and that will cause the down stroke, repolation phase रहेगी. Okay, and positive charge का loss होगी, so as it reaches -60 millivolt, then again this funny channels जिसको हम HCN channels भी कहते हैं, hyperpolarization activated cyclic nucleotide channels और funny channels भी कहते हैं. Okay, funny channels क्यों कहते हैं? Because it is activated not due to depolarization, it is due to the activated due to hyperpolarization, negativity के चलते हो रही है, that's why it is called funny currents भी कहते हैं, funny channels भी कहते हैं, F channels भी कहते हैं और current जो produce होती है उसको हम funny currents भी कहते हैं. Okay, and it is having this potential is called slow response type. Slow क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Because इसमें जो depolation it is slow after stroke. Slow क्यों हो रही है? Because it is not due to the opening of the voltage gated sodium channels. Voltage gated sodium channels के चलते होती है तब rapid depolation होती है. But here depolation is due to the opening of the voltage gated calcium channels, L type calcium channels. This is the graph of ventricular muscle action potential. यहाँ पे rapid after stroke होती है, zero phase बनाती है. Due to the voltage gated opening of the voltage gated sodium channels. Okay, phase 0 होती है, then phase 1 is initial repolation, then P2 phase, then rapid repolation. Okay, then RNP is fourth phase. So here you can see depolation is present, zero phase is present. Okay, and repolation is also present, third phase is also present. Okay, but first and second phase is not present in the slow response action potential. ऐसे नोट होती है हर्ट में उसमें प्रेजेंट नहीं होती है, जीरो फेज होती है, थर्ड फेज होती है, फर्स्ट और सेकंड नहीं होती. एंड ऑल्सो फोर्थ फेज इज ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट, रेस्टिंग मेम्ब्रेन पोटेंशियल फेज. दिस इज द रेस्टिंग मेम्ब्रेन पोटेंशियल फेज. रेस्टिंग मेम्ब्रेन पोटेंशियल इन द ऐसे नोट स्लो रिस्पॉन्स टाइप ये फ्लक्चुएट करती है -60 to -40 मिलीवोल्ट. ओके,